This is a tutorial on creating an account in Glogster. In the browser of your choice, in the address bar, type glogster.com, glogster.com. In the home page for glogster.com, you'll see a link down here at the bottom for create an account. Go ahead and click on that one. In this first area, you'll see they want you to choose a nickname. So in this case, I'm going to choose example. Crow Student Example 1, I'll call it. And it'll let us know if that's available. It looks good. In the email address, I want you to stick the email address that was assigned to you by the school. In this case, I'm going to choose a temporary email that I set up for this purpose. Now I want you to choose your password. It says it must be 4 characters at least. And then I want you to retype your password. Once you have finished that, hit the link to start logging. Now it says it sent us an email. So check your email account. Sometimes this doesn't happen instantly, so give it a little bit of time. Okay, and here in our email, we'll see we have a message from Glogster. Select that email, and now inside that email, it lists your nickname, Crow Student Example 1, and it also lists your password, just in case you forgot it. Keep this email safe. Please authorize your email by clicking here. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to click here. Alright, now we're in our Glogster. Now you could choose a wide variety of Glogsters. You could choose one of the basic ones, such as this one here. Now in Glogster, you'll have these, and you could choose these windows from several different ones. We have our texts, galleries, and let's say we want music. And we want this one. That bubble right there. You hit use it. Once you've selected it, exit out of there. Now, it pops it down there. There it is right there. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. You could turn them. When you're ready to adjust your text, double click, type whatever text you need. That text is editable. You can change your fonts. You could change the colors. And when you like that, hit apply. If you don't like it, hit cancel. You could move them wherever you want. Right now, we could see that we can also order these. This one is in front of this one. Let's say we wanted it behind. Select that icon right there. And now it's behind. In Tools, you can insert graphics. And they have a bunch of different styles here. When you find the one you like, let's say it's this paperclip, hit use it. And there's your paperclip. If you don't like your paperclip, click on it and hit the trash can. And that'll throw it away. Images. In Images, you can upload from your computer. You can link it, or you can grab one. I don't have Facebook, Flickr, Picasa, or Google. But let's say you wanted to change your wall. look at the gallery, and it'll give you a bunch of different options. Here's a music gallery, and the wall is basically the background for your Glogster. Say I want the one with the stars on it. I'm going to click use it, and there it is. Tools again. We can select audio. Again, you can upload, link, or grab audio. When you do grab, it'll interface with your microphone, and you can record. In this case, I don't want to do that, but you're welcome to. You could do photo, and it'll take a snapshot. Oh yeah, you have to allow Adobe Flash. In this case, I don't want to allow right now. But click allow if that's what you wish. Same thing with video. You can also link your video to a YouTube, and you'll type in your address there. I noticed that when you click in here and you try to right click for paste, it doesn't work. But let's say you have your address, just hit Control V and it'll paste it in there. When you're ready to see what it looks like, hit preview, and this is what it looks like. If you have any audios or video or anything like that, they'll have the play buttons and you could play those. Then you go back to edit. And once you're ready to share this with me, you'll enter your information in here. So whatever you want your Glogster to be called, I'm not sure. We can call it unfinished right now, or sample, whatever you wish. Hit save and share. And this is the link to your Glogster. So let's take a look at it. Here's the Glogster we just created. If you have any videos, they would automatically appear there. You can show it full size. So this link right here, you would copy and paste and stick that into your Edmodo so that I could access your Glogster. And your Glogster is going to be based on the information of the key signatures, so the circle of fifths. We have our flat keys, our sharp keys, our flat formulas, our sharp formulas, and then the lone natural. So that's how you do a Glogster.